Welcome to Learn Pharmacy Concept. Today we learn about generic medicine. In your pharmacy college, there is no mention about generic medicine. But as a pharmacist, we need to know what is generic medicine and branded medicine, why their price is so high and why their price is so low. So begin. Generic medicine, those medicine whose patent get expired, those molecule is manufactured by any pharmaceutical company. So what is patent? Patent is a legal agreement which was given to a scientist for manufacturing that molecule up to a particular period. In now in your screen there is an image. Patent, legal authorization given to a scientist, which scientists give to a pharmaceutical company for manufacturing that molecule. He is authorized. That molecule is manufactured by any one pharmaceutical company, not everyone, any one pharmaceutical company. So they can fix that price up to their tax for discovery and tax for development get fulfilled. So that molecule was branded molecule which were patent for 20 years, which was manufactured by any pharmaceutical company, that only company who manufactured that molecule. After 20 years that molecule get converted into generic because they not to give taxes for discovery and taxes of development. So that molecule is manufactured by every pharmaceutical company. So what is monopoly? Monopoly is no competition there. They can easily can provide their brand with their control price. They can either high their price or low their price up to him. So branded medicine having high marketing amount, so they will take patient high amount. So we can categorize generic medicine and branded medicine as from patent. So generic medicine are much cheaper than branded medicine. As you are seeing that different doctors are giving his advice, that we are patients give him advice that we need generic medicine, need to write generic medicine. So they after that he can write generic medicine but a particular company name, with particular company name, right? They are writing, but they if you tell them we need to generic medicine, then he need to be write their chemical name, not any other name. Like in Jan Aushadhi Kendra, you pick any medicine, there is mention only chemical name, not there any brand name are therein. So after misconception that very doctors write generic medicine and branded medicine, but we need to aware he need to write branded medicine whose patent get who is under the patent process. But if he write generic medicine, he need to write his chemical name. If a good doctor know about that, he always write his chemical name, not a branded name. Suppose that any doctor write generic branded name, generic company name, other company name. Generic means chemical name only. So for example, if you take generic medicine, low price taking, no extra cost, like Jan Aushadhi. Generic medicine, low price taking, no extra cost for promoting their brand by pharmaceutical MRs or doctors. But when your doctor write a particular brand in his prescription, doctor prescribe generic medicine, a particular brand, that is also a generic medicine, but they will take MRP rate only, or they promote, they will also from their MRP rate, and they also promoting by giving doctor some handsome amount to promote and to write that medicine in his prescription. So that's all the scam in generic medicine. We are pharmacists, we need to understand that we have to counsel other peoples about this, and to motivate our person or our Indian people to convert their branded other company generic medicine to a other branded generic medicine to a generic Jan Aushadhi medicine. So that's all about generic medicine. And we know about India is the second largest company where generic medicine were produced. And that's all about generic medicine. So please friends, like, subscribe and share. For this information, as a pharmacist, we need to counsel the people about this. And thanks, that's all about this topic. Thank you friends.